The Harrods Advent Calendar for 2020 will launch on the 1st of October and it is priced at £250, just like previous years. I bought the first ever Harrods Advent Calendar when it came out. It contained 8 full-size products. Hang on, I'll just need to lift this Advent Calendar because it's the heaviest thing. I use 5 kg kettlebell. This one is heavy. It's incredibly heavy and it is the sturdiest material. 8 full-size products, the total worth of which exceeded the cost of the Advent calendar. And the front of that calendar features a facade of their Knightsbridge store. Right, now this year's Advent calendar looks like this. I don't have the Advent calendar obviously. Not only has it not launched, but this blog is too small to get PR samples, particularly from Harrods. I love the forest green and gold combination, very, very festive. You know, I like that they moved on from the white. Now, let's see what's inside, if the contents are worth it, how much they cost, how many are full-sized, and so on. First off, 111 Skin Rose Gold Eye Mask Single. This is 12 quid. These are under-eye patches. I'd rather see something else, honestly. Acqua di Parma Colonia 5ml and Body Cream 40ml set. Full size is 150 ml for the body cream. Not going to count this. Augustinus Beta. No, not the cream, not the rich cream either. This is the newly launched face oil. 13 ml you get. 30 ml retails at 180 quid. Not going to count it. The Chantecaille Gold Recovery Mask 5 ml you get. You know, kind of tiny, isn't it? 5 ml. 50 ml is full-sized and retails at £235. Darphin's Cleansing Balm is next, and that is 5 ml. Kind of tiny, 5 ml. 40 ml is full-sized and retails at 35 quid. The next product is the Decorte AQ Absolute Bright Cream, 25 ml. Now, this is full-sized and it costs £168. And then you get a Barbara Sturm Serum. Oh God, not another one. 10 ml. Not going to count it. Full size is 30 ml. Retails at astronomically high prices, as I've been telling you. And you know, I'm not a fan of how they price their products. Dr. Sebagh Serum Repair. This is the professional one. You get 50 ml of it, which retails at £90. This is another full-size product in this Advent calendar. Usually they send out the regular 20 ml one, which also is full-size and actually retails at 69 quid. But here you get the professional 50 ml version. This is a hyaluronic acid-based serum, which I really, really like. I got this in the first ever Harrods Advent calendar, and then I got another one in some other collection as well. I really enjoy this product. The next product is a fresh vitamin nectar vibrancy boosting mask, 30 ml, full size, retailing at 21 quid. And then you have the Goldfaden MD Eye Concentrate, 5 ml, very tiny 5 ml sample. Full size is 15 ml, I suppose that's why, and retails at 48 quid. You can think that you're getting 1/3 of the full size, and you know, calculate 1/3 of the full size retail price of 48 as £16 if you want. I wouldn't. Or maybe I would. I don't know. Not in the first round anyway. The next product is the Guerlain Orchidee Imperial Cream 3 ml. 3 ml is what you get. Full size is 50 ml. I would have liked to see 10 ml, you know, not 3 ml sample. And this is priced at a whopping £350. The next product is the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. What you get is travel sized and is retailing for £17. Full size is £45. The next product, full size, is the Huda Beauty Parbola Matte Lipstick. The shade hasn't been specified yet, and that retails at £22. So these 3 full size products, the Dr. Sebagh Serum, the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vibrancy Boosting Masks, and the Huda Beauty Parbola Lipstick. Together they come up to £133 already, and we are on day 13. Now add to that the Decorte cream and you get £301. Next comes the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Mini Lipstick. Full size is £26. Not going to count a mini lipstick. Living Proof Color Care Shampoo and Conditioner, 30 ml each. 60 ml is the travel size that is sold at 10 quid each. Full size is 236 ml, selling for 25 quid. Not going to count these. And then we have the Maison Francis Courchamp Baccarat Rouge 540 candle. Full size is 280 grams, retailing at £85. This is a smaller size. Murad's Multi-Acid Peel 10 ml is the next product. 100 ml retails for £48. pounds. Not going to count this. The NARS High Pigment Long Wear Eyeliner is next. This is a mini, 0.3 grams of product. Full size is 1.2 grams of product and retails at £19. The next product is the Natasha Denona Dual Chrome Top Coat, 6 grams is what you get. Full size, £24. The Natura Beza Tensolift Neck Cream, 10 mils is next. Full size is 50 mils and retails at a whopping £181. Now, with the Natasha Denona Top Coat and the 3 other products, we've got £157. Add to that the Decorte cream and you've got £360, exceeding the value of the advent calendar already. Next comes Rodial's Bee Venom Cream, 15 mils. Full size is 50 mils, retailing at £82. The Shiseido Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate is next, and that is 10 mils of product. Full size is 30 mils, which retails at 69 quid. The next is Slip Silks Crunchies. You get 3 of them. A full set of 6 costs £39. So you can halve 39 if you want and call it £19.50. The next product is a Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C. You get 15 mils. The 15 mil sample does retail at 35 quid, so we need to count this, 35 quid, eh? Lastly, you get the Valmont Renewing Pack 5 mils. Tiny sample, because 15 mils is a full size and that retails at £194. So while there are some incredibly high-end products in here, they are all incredibly tiny sizes. The Guerlain Orchid Imperial Cream, 3 mils is what you get. The Valmont Renewing Pack, 5 mils. Goldfaden Eye Concentrate, 5 mils. The Cleansing Balm, 5 mils. The Chantecaille Mask, again 5 mils. So that is my problem. I think the first ever advent calendar from Harrods did not have this, all mini ness going on. So Decorte cream, Dr. Sebagh, the fresh mask and the Huda lipstick and Natasha Denona together come to 325 quid, crossing the value of the advent calendar itself. And then you've got the Sunday Riley 15 ml vitamin C, which is retailing at 35 quid. That gives you £360. And then you can add the Hourglass veil setting powder, which retails at £17, travel sized, 377 quid. And then you add the eye mask from 111 Skin, that is £389. So counting the standalone sizes, all the retail sizes, including the travel sizes, which do retail, I get £389. So while the total value is there for this advent calendar, the problem is that there are exactly 5 full-size products in here. The rest are either half sizes or travel sizes, which do retail, that is all. So when you pay 250 quid, you expect a bit more. I mean, look at Space & Care, where you get 9 full-size products and you're paying 195 quid, eh? So I feel that, I mean, if you do use these products, if you love your very luxurious moisturizers and face masks, you will love this advent calendar. But remember, a lot of these come in 3 ml and 5 ml sample sizes. So those are my honest thoughts on the Harrods Beauty Advent Calendar for 2020, and this is possibly why brands don't like working with me. But I'd rather, my loyalty is to you lot and not brands. It will always be that way. And you lot have built a lovely community for me that I absolutely love and I feel at home with. And I don't care if this channel never gets to, all this even 10,000 subscribers. It probably never will. But this community means a lot more to me than all the PR samples, than all the Harrods Beauty Advent Calendars on earth. So my loyalty is towards you. So what are your thoughts on this Advent Calendar? Do you agree with me? Do you think that 3 ml and 5 ml samples are not what you expect from a 250 quid Advent Calendar? Or do you think that the value is indeed there from those 4 or 5 products? I'd rather get a good mix of sizes and products than one product costing 150 quid and everything else being 3 mils, if that makes sense. So do you agree with me? If so, do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, please do hit the subscribe button, please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.